Hi friends! Today I'm showing you how you can make this easy DIY house number sign. I partnered with Burnzomatic to use their heat shrink torch in this wood burning project. It added this unique gradient patina effect which I love and cannot wait to show you how you can make this too. Let's get started! I set up my miter saw at 45 degrees and cut up a 1x3 board into lengths I needed for the house number sign. I used a scrap piece of 3/4 inch plywood to dry fit the 1x3 pieces. The plywood I used was 8 inches by 24 inches because I needed 4 numbers. You can make it bigger or smaller depending on the number of digits you need in your house number. I marked the pieces for their locations and got ready to burn them with my Burnzomatic heat shrink torch. Be sure to use heat-resistant gloves and keep your face and hair away from the torch at all times. It was so much fun burning the wood, and that finish was just gorgeous. I wanted the pieces to have a dark, medium, and light look. So I added extra passes to the boards that went to the ends to make them darker. I sanded between each pass to make sure I got a nice smooth finish. I just kept burning the planks until I was happy with the intensity of colors in each group. Then I put them back on the plywood and attached using wood glue and finish nails. I made sure one of the edges was well aligned. After they were all attached, I cut off all the extra pieces on the miter saw and the table saw. Now for the trim. I charred the sides and faces of 1x2 boards and attached them to the sign using wood glue and finish nails. Finally, I gave it a few coats of outdoor matte clear coat to seal it and protect it from the elements. The next day, I measured and marked the location for the numbers and attached them using the template that came with them. I felt like the silver numbers didn't quite stand out on the background, so I gave them a few coats of white spray paint. Then I added keyhole hangers to the back and some stucco anchors and screws to the wall and hung up the house number sign. That is it! An easy project to add curb appeal to your home, which also stands out with its pretty gradient effect from the wood burning. I have all the details and the step-by-step tutorial linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Before you go, I think you will also like this quick and easy project to organize all your mail. Or you might like this project. And if you're not already, please subscribe for more projects in the future. Thanks for watching!